Good morning, everybody. Welcome to WEBS. It is finally Friday. Y'all know Miss Chandler loves Fridays. It is the last day of November, November 30th. What month is after November? Do y'all know? December. So tomorrow we start December. So today, the last day, November 30th, 2012. With me on the news I have
Rena
from
Miss Matthew's class.
Good job. And
Alyssa from Miss Brandon, Miss Skipper.
awesome. And
Gavin from Miss Paulson.
good. And
Jordan from Miss Paulson.
Miss Paulson and Miss Palmer. All right. Hold that, Rena, in that hand. This hand over your heart. No, switch. There you go. Right hand over our heart. This hand. No, you had it right. This hand over your heart. Good. All right. We good? All right, everybody out there, put your right hand over your heart, and let's all start our pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Y'all are good. Thank you. Everyone freeze for a moment of silence. All right. Guys, I've got some stuff to talk about in the news today. First off, we have no birthdays for November 30th today. No student birthdays at all. Miss Chandler's looked at that list. But I do have birthdays for the weekends if we don't come to school on Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow on December 1st, Trinity East, Elijah Lewis, and Lillian Thrift. You can come get birthday goodies today, and we will celebrate today. We also have December 2nd, Jaden Berger, Jacob Connor, and Jace Thomas. That's on Sunday. You guys will celebrate you today, too. Looking at this, it makes me remember I was going to have a friend of Miss Key's class come on the news. I will do that tomorrow. But Miss Key's class has started a project we do in our school, but her class is leading us in it. It's where we collect tops to Coke bottles. So coming up tomorrow on the news, I will have one of Miss Key's kids, and we will talk about that, okay? And Miss Key, help me not to forget. Let's see what else we've got. Let's take a look at teacher birthdays before we get going too far. Miss Chandler needs to see if we have any birthdays for teachers over the weekend. Let me just check my list. Making sure. Miss Chandler needs to do this list a little bit better. We want to make sure we don't ever leave anybody out because it's nice to be told happy birthday on your birthday. I don't think we do have any teacher birthdays over the weekend, so that's a good thing. Life skill is effort. We start a new life skill Monday. So we'll have a new life skill. So far, cooperation, caring, and effort. Our core essential has been gratitude. We'll have a new one of those on Monday. And I have something to tell you guys. Listen to this. Miss Fowler told me we're going to do a project in December that really helps a community. Do you guys remember hearing about that really bad storm? It was called Hurricane Sandy. And it hit up north in New Jersey. And it really messed up a lot of their towns and a lot of their houses. Well, we heard that a school up there, they lost every book in their library. You know how our library has all those cool books? Well, their library got all wet from the storm. And all the books were ruined. So Miss Fowler, along with all the other schools in North Myrtle Beach, Loris Elementary, and Daisy, we are going to do a book drive, boys and girls. We're going to ask you to bring in gently used books, books you don't want anymore. Or, if your parents will, we can buy a new book. Miss Fowler's going to send home a letter about it. But that's our project. We're going to help boys and girls at that school have books to read. Y'all think we can do that? If we work together, everybody can bring in books and we can send them up there to their school? Wouldn't you want somebody to do that for us if our library got messed up? Yeah, we need books to read. So boys and girls, that's going to be our project. Look around your house, talk to your parents. If you have books that are gently used, that means they're not messed up, they're not colored in, they're good books, you just don't want them anymore. Or if your parents will go out and buy one book. We can really bring in a lot of books to give to that school. So that's our project for December. Let's see, Gavin, this is Gavin. Gavin's here because Miss Paulson says Gavin has put a lot of effort into following directions in class. He is doing a great job. He's making that brain smart because why? You're listening, aren't you? He has got such improved behavior. I'm proud of you too, Gavin, and I'm going to put a coupon with this in a little bit and put it in her box, okay? I've got Abby and Gallagher getting treasure, and Nation A and Thomas getting popsicle. I've got Alyssa from Miss Green here doing the news. Ryan and Miss Green, lunch with a friend. Michaela, lunch with Jayla. And Aiden, an eraser. From Miss O'Connor's class, Connor, lunch with friend. Zachary, treasure. From Miss Formo, Paxton gets a popsicle. Amarion, popsicle. Savon, popsicle. Riley, treasure. William, treasure. And another Riley, a highlighter. From Miss Phone's class, Jarique, eat with Miss O'Connor's class. Dutch, popsicle. James, lunch with Tucker, Parrott, and O'Connor. Malia will have treasure. From Miss Bodkins, Eden, treasure. Rivers, popsicle. From Miss Paulson's class, Jordan is here to do the news. Thank you, buddy. Jacqueline, a book. Shauna, a popsicle. Oh, excuse me, Shauna is in Miss Fields' class. Jasmine from Miss Fields will get treasure. Kawan in Miss Fields will have lunch with a friend. In Miss Matthews' class, Raina came to do the news. Cade will get a folder. Alani and Edwards popsicle. From Miss Bryan, Justin popsicle. From Miss Ellison, Braden lunch with a friend. Caleb lunch with a friend. And Caleb made a good choice today in the cafeteria at breakfast. Caleb stopped and used common sense, and he used his manners. So not only has he filled up his card, but Caleb, I'm proud of your choice. That was a really mature and responsible thing to do. Good job. Nicholas in Miss Todd's class, treasure. Gabe in Markham, a pencil. Adam in Markham, a popsicle. Dewey in Miss Markham, popsicle, and Dariah in Pullum, treasure. I love all the good things I say about my boys and girls at school. You guys rock. Do you know that? That's why Miss Chandler loves what I do, because I see you making good choices. That means Miss Chandler is working hard to help you do that, and I'm proud of you guys. I love it when you make those choices. I love reading good news, and I really want you to have a fantastic weekend. Be good. Stay safe. Tell them bye, y'all.
Bye.